It's important to change the gun socks fairly often just to keep overspray from getting on the gun arms themselves. Service techs will go into locations and will find people that don't cover them or they don't clean them very often, and there's a lot of overspray accumulated on the gun arms and on the guns themselves. And the extra weight on there is no good for the linear bearing that it's riding on. It's also no good for the air fittings, the fluid connections, and even overspray on the air cap could affect the fan pattern as well. And probably the biggest thing is the overspray falling off of the guns and falling back onto the parts and getting trash in the finish.
All right, the best way to take these gun socks off is just to cut them off. Scissors seem to be the best thing to use that I've found.
What we found works best, and this is a stretchy hosiery material, and it's open on both sides. And what we do is we just kind of stretch it out and then put it over the entire gun arm.
And I like to wrap it around. You're just gonna tie it off on that end when you're done. Meantime, up and around. And up top here. Just good way to tie it off up there. Tying on at the bottom. Like that. And I usually, instead of getting scissors or a knife to cut them, I usually just kind of tear it around those nozzles. That nozzle stick out. Make sure there's none on those threads so that air cap doesn't grab it when you put it back on.
All of our machines come with this magnet here. This will give you access to additional training videos and support videos for all of our spray machines. It'll also put you in contact with our parts and service team.